Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, how are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video, we're going to trade based on some price action. Alright, you know that on our SVM Binary Trading channel, you won't find a single video that's indicator based. Alright, even if we ever mention any indicator, like parabolic, Bollinger Bands, or something like that, we don't really talk about all that because, you see, what happens is, the accuracy with those is very low. Alright, and another thing is, you shouldn't trade using those, and guys, I personally trade only and only based on price action, and you should also trade based on price action. First of all, let me tell you, trading is a very risky thing. So don't approach trading like you're gambling. Treat trading as trading. If you can't afford to lose your money here, then don't invest that amount here. Because in trading, you can also lose your money, so keep that in mind. Only after that should you use your mind a bit in trading. Alright, and first of all, you need to learn, and only after that should you trade in a real account. Otherwise, I would just tell you to play only in the demo. Alright, so guys, in this video, I'm going to take trades using price action, so you'll see here how I place trades. Okay, so right now you can see here, this is Euro to Japanese Yen, and here I'm going to draw a rectangle. Alright, I've drawn the rectangle, and I'll place it around this level. Okay, so this is our trading level, and now our level is precisely set. I will copy this and place it a little bit higher as well. If the market touches this particular level, a downward trade could potentially be possible. Break time equals 0.5s/. If the market goes up a little, then I will take a trade in the downward direction. Okay. Don't place the trade in a hurry. We need to place the trade with a good opportunity. It's not like you have to place trades quickly, you shouldn't do that. Alright, you need to place the trade at a good level when there's a good opportunity. Okay, if I see a little green on the upside, then I will take a trade in the downward direction. Alright, so let's wait, guys, and if we don't get an opportunity, we won't trade. Okay, I won't take a trade. I'll look at another chart. So if you develop this kind of patience, you can be successful in trading here. By chance. But even after patience, there are many other things. Like, you should know about support, resistance, and candlestick psychology. Then you place the trade here. See, you noticed how nicely the market came down here. Okay, if we had placed the trade, we definitely would have been profitable here. Alright, let's check USD as well. Okay, and in USD, the market has moved to the downside. It consolidated a bit and then went up. From this level, it moved downwards. Alright, so I'm looking at the downside. I found a level, and I can consider this level here. You can see this level, and which one will be our second level? This level, okay, this level, and according to this level, look at the whole box. This level, and according to this level, I've drawn the whole box. Now if this is a green-red pattern, green formed, green formed, then a red can form next. If this candle forms as a small green candle, I will take a trade for the down direction, for the opposite direction. Alright, if this forms a small candle, but if it forms a big candle, then there could be other possibilities here. Okay, so let's wait. Alright, so I've taken a very clear and decisive down trade here because our green candle here hasn't formed as a significantly large or substantial candle. That's precisely why I placed a trade for down here, as you can clearly and distinctly see. Alright, so in the dynamic and often unpredictable world of trading, there are both substantial profits and inevitable losses, so it's not like. I'm not going to tell you that there's any particular strategy or specific setup where every single trade you meticulously take will be consistently profitable. Alright, in the dynamic world of trading, there are indeed inevitable losses as well as significant profits, and it is absolutely crucial that you effectively manage that according to sound and well-established money management principles. You need to create a setup, and based on that, you can generate profit here. Okay, there's no such thing as certainty. Alright, now as I said, if a red, green, red, green, red, green, red pattern is forming, then here a red certainty will be created. It's not like that. It can be a green candle also, okay? This can also turn out to be a green candle. Alright, so in trading, it's absolutely never the case that there are truly sure shot patterns. Break time equals 0.5s/. Okay, there's no such thing as a completely sure thing or something definitively guaranteed like that, alright? So, these kinds of things and concepts like sure shot and all don't genuinely exist. Break time equals 0.5s /sure shot just simply means that you only have some degree of confidence. People who say it's a sure shot, but apart from that, nothing else is like that. You can see here, it's red, so there should have been a green here. According to the red, green, red pattern, there should have been a green here, but it's a red candle. So, anything can happen here. Trading is just trading. There's a business within trading, where the market is moving, where it's not moving. It depends on what's happening in the market. Alright, so you have to learn this, okay? Without learning, you can't earn. Alright, so we've understood this much on the downside. I'll place this at this level. Alright. It can be a green candle if the market comes down a little bit. I will take a trade for the up direction, alright? Why? Because there is a level. Alright, this level is quite a good level. So, there can be possibilities. Here, the thing is that a green candle can form here if the market comes down a little bit. I can take a trade for the upward direction for this candle only. Alright, we'll trade just for this candle. Okay, so guys, I've carefully placed a strategic trade here for a significant upward price movement, anticipating a positive outcome in the market. Let's see guys, we've placed the trade for 20 seconds. 10 seconds left, so let's see. It can be a green candle, that's why I placed a trade for an upward move here, because I know this candle can close as green. You can see our trade has become profitable here, and it is a green candle. Alright, so if we truly understand a few fundamental things about price action, we can certainly make a substantial profit here, just like I am successfully doing right now. But overall, I would just say that trading is an inherently risky endeavor. You should only ever trade if you can comfortably afford to completely lose your entire invested amount. Break time equals 0.5s /. Alright, okay. CHF JPY buy. The market went up, consolidated, came down, and then went up again. Then here, it will consolidate a bit for a candle or two. Then the market has come down quite a bit in a bearish mood. Alright, so the previous levels, such as this particular one and also this one, we will now merge them all together, effectively combining their elements. Okay, I've merged them. After that, if this market forms a green candle and it breaks out. But if a red candle gives a breakdown to the downside here, so it can be a bad thing. Here, the market moves to the downside because it can also show us a fake breakout. A fake breakout has been shown here. Alright, if the market moves a little to the upside, then we can press for a downward related trade. Otherwise, another scenario can form here for us. That if the market goes below this level, so I can take a trade for the downward direction also. Alright, this is my psychology. I absolutely do not recommend that you place trades in this way. I'm just showing you how you might place a trade here or not. I'm not showing that. I'm just placing my own trade. Alright, okay guys, so I took a trade for the downward direction here, primarily because I know that the market can indeed do something significant here according to my analysis. Since the market has already given a clear break here, it is highly probable that the market can give us a closing below the crucial level with this current candle. So, that is precisely why we took a trade for the downside. Tada! So, as you can clearly see, our trade here has become quite profitable, and right now, at this very moment, we currently have a total of $986 in our trading account. Alright, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. The way I traded, I used price action, psychology, and levels. I hope you were able to understand here, and guys, if you liked the video and learned even a little bit, please like the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Bye bye.